616, we know living here in the 608 is what you make of it. And there is a group of frontline workers going into work with a positive outlook every day, even though they have to respond to some pretty terrible situations.
This is a pretty incredible story by our very own Josh Breiter. He's live on top of UW Hospital with more. Hi, Josh.
Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, we are coming to you this morning from the UW Health helipad. You can see MedFlight right here. You probably already know what amazing work these MedFlight crews do, but today they're showing us a different point of view that many of us will never get the chance to see.
We get to see a lot of pretty beautiful things.
They're images you probably don't associate with the UW MedFlight call.
It's provided us the opportunity to share a little bit of what we see.
Views like this never get old for Dr. Ryan Woobin. He's been a physician with UW MedFlight for 18 years.
And we get to see downtown Madison and the lakes and all of Wisconsin from a completely different perspective than most people get to see on a day-to-day basis.
It was this shot he took back in 2013 of the Madison lakes freezing over that first went viral on Twitter. And ever since then, they've been using social media to spread positivity. Dr. Woobin says many of the UW MedFlight folks have quite the eye in the sky.
They are very good at kind of capturing those moments to balance out the other half of what we see, which sometimes isn't so pleasant.
Carrie Sawaya is an RN with the program, making the switch over from the Children's Hospital to MedFlight about 2 years ago.
Being able to go up in a helicopter and that's your office, I think that's pretty awesome.
Sawaya says every day is so different on the job. Finding ways to thrive and survive during the shift is crucial.
We know we come in, we do our aircraft check, our bag check, and all of that stuff in the morning, and from there on out, we don't know what's going to happen. We don't know where we're going to go. We don't know how long we'll be gone.
That's why finding a unique perspective of the 608, like these amazing views from the sky, is so important for these medical professionals working some long days and nights.
We just have really enjoyed capturing that flavor for others to see.
And back out here live atop UW Hospital this morning, you can see one of their newer choppers sitting here on the helipad. There was a no-fly advisory out overnight because of the freezing conditions and also some of the fog. You can see the downtown area right now. We are exactly 2.4 miles away from the Capitol, and we are now just starting to see the Capitol for the first time this morning. It has been pretty foggy out here, so right now they actually have the crews out on the ground because they aren't able to go up in the sky. The shift change comes at 7 o'clock this morning, so still pretty quiet out here, guys. But unfortunately, we don't have any pretty crazy amazing views like we saw yesterday with the sunrise, that beautiful sunrise shot. But every day is different. It's part of the job, right? You never know what you're going to expect. And these guys really giving us a positive flavor, sharing that positive perspective that I think we all need to see right now.
Yeah, you said it, Josh. Hey, Dr. Pothoff, who we hear from a lot here on the program and in all sorts of media right now on the pandemic, isn't he a member of the MedFlight team at UW Health? Is he a part of that?
Yeah, he is, Chris. Yeah, so he spent many years a part of this. So they have all sorts of crews, doctors, nurses, pilots. Some of them work 12-hour shifts. Some of them work 24-hour shifts. But they are a team. They are a family, just like our news family. They're a family right here. And they spend a lot of time up in the air and right here at the hospital as well. So you should follow them on Facebook and Twitter. I've got links up on channel3000.com. And they'll give you even more of an inside look at what they face every day. And I promise you it will not disappoint.
Incredible story today, Josh. Thanks for bringing that positive perspective, as always. Remember to let Josh know what inspires you in the 608. You can reach out either on social media or email us at inthe608@wisctv.com for a chance to be featured.